Oke, langsung.
Atau student
Anda mau bikin, mau pakai beautiful, mau
student
pakai
mau di student semua. I am a student. Am I a student? I am not a student. Am I not a student? You are a student. Are you a student? You aren't a student. Aren't you a student? You are student. Are you student? You aren't student. Aren't you student? We are student. Are we student? We aren't student. Aren't we student? They are student. Are they student? They aren't student. Aren't they student? He is a student. Is he a student? He isn't a student. Isn't he a student? She is a student. Is she a student? She isn't a student. Isn't she a student? It is a cat. Is it a cat? It isn't a cat. Isn't it a cat? I was a student. Was I a student? I wasn't a student. Wasn't I a student? You were a student. You were a student. Were you a student? You weren't a student. Weren't you a student? You were student. Were you student? You weren't student. Weren't you student? We were student. Were we student? We weren't student. Weren't we student? They were student. Were they student? They weren't student. Weren't they student? He was a student. Was he a student? He wasn't a student. Wasn't he a student? She was a student. Was she a student? She wasn't a student. Wasn't she a student? It was a cat. Was it a cat? It wasn't a cat. Wasn't it a cat? Hai lagi kota 3. Saya kira kalau 23 saya 14. Susah 4, kamu 3. I will be a student. Will I be a student? I won't be a student. Won't I be a student? You will be a student. Will you be a student? You won't be a student. Won't you be a student? You will be student. Will you be student? You won't be student. Won't you be student? We will be a student. We will be student. Will we be student? We won't be student. Won't we be student? They will be student. Will they be student? They won't be student.
one day be student. He will be a student. One will
he be
will he be a student?
one
He won't be a student. Won't he be a student? She will be a student. Will she be a student? She won't be a student. Won't she be a student? It will be cat.
a cat
A cat. It will be a cat. Will it be a cat? It won't be a cat. Won't it be a cat?
I will then be a student. Well, I will be a student. Will I be a student? I will then be a student. Well, then I be a student. You will be a student. Will you be a student? You will then be a student. Well, then you be a student. You will be student. Will you be student? You will then be student. You will then be student. Well, then you be student. We will be student. Will we be student? We will then be student. Well, then we be student. They will be student. Will they be student? They will then be student. Will then they be student? He will be a student. Will he be a student? He will then be a student. Will then he be a student? She will be a student. Will she be a student? She will then be a student. Will then she be a student? It will be a cat. Will it be a cat? It will then be a cat. Will then it be a cat? Bye bye.
Okay, thank you.